Miss Erin here, and welcome to Wee Wednesday. Miss Colleen and myself are so excited to host you for our program this morning. It is our second Wee Wednesday of April. And if you remember, in April, our theme is baby animals. Woo! All right, so let's go look at our songbook and see which instrument we're going to be using this morning. So it is April 14th, so we're going to be using shakers. So my shaker looks like this. It looks like an egg and it's green. Your shaker might look a little different, or if you have like a maraca or just like a container with some beans in it, as long as you can shake it and it makes some noise, that works perfectly. All right, friends, so let's get started with our Hello Friends song. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Hello, friends. All right, everybody. Now you know what time it is. It's time to grab your shaker. It's time to grab your shaker. It's time to grab your shaker today. It's time to grab your shaker. Woo! Give it a good shake, 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 shake. Great job. All right, our first instrument song for this morning is called Put Your Hands Up High. You ready? All right, follow me. Put your hands up high, put your hands down low. Put your hands in the middle and wiggle just slow. Put your elbows in the front, put your elbows in the back. Put your elbows to the side and quack, quack, quack. Put your hands up high, put your hands down low. Put your hands in the middle and wiggle just so. Put your elbows in the front, put your elbows in the back. Put your elbows to your sides and quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack. Great job. All right, our next song we're going to do this morning is called Little Raindrops Falling Down. So can you make your shaker really quiet? Quiet for the little raindrops. Okay, and then with each verse, we're gonna get louder. Let's get started. Little raindrops falling down, falling down, falling down. Little raindrops falling down, falling to the ground. Great job. Now we're gonna do bigger raindrops. So try shaking your shaker a little bit louder, okay? Bigger raindrops falling down, falling down, falling down. Bigger raindrops falling down, falling to the ground. All right, now we're gonna do giant raindrops, okay? So shake your shaker as loudly as you can. You can stomp your feet too to make some more noise, all right? Giant raindrops falling down, falling down, falling down. Giant raindrops falling down, falling to the ground. Oh, so loud. Great job, friends. All right, our last instrument song for this morning is called Tick Tock, Tick Tock. All right, and this one's fun because we're gonna try and guess a different animal is coming to the door each time, all right? So it's like this. Tick tock, goes the clock, waiting for someone to knock, knock, knock. My, oh my, it's a chick. And our little egg, it's a chick at the door. All right, let's try it again. Tick tock, goes the clock, waiting for someone to knock, knock, knock. My, oh my, it's a rattlesnake. Rattlesnake, so there's a rattle and it's going, 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 going. All right, let's do it one more time. I wonder which animal's gonna visit us this time. Tick tock, goes the clock, waiting for someone to knock, knock, knock. My, oh my, it's a wet dog. Oh, wet dog. They're shaking, 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 shaking. Get off. said, that is our last instrument song for this morning, so it's time to put our shakers away. It's time to put the shakers away, shakers away, shakers away. Time to put the shakers away, put them away for another day. Great job, friends. And now we're gonna check out a new felt play for this month.
Our felt play today is called 5 Little Ducks, and here we have our 5 little ducks. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it goes like this. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. And 4 of her little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. And this time, only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. And this time, only 2 of her little ducks came back. 1, 2. 2 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. And this time, only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. And this time, none of her little ducks came back. Sad Mother duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Sad Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. And this time, all 5 of her little ducks came back. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And she is a happy mama duck. Next is our movement songs. We have 2 songs for you today. The first one is called April Showers, and the movements go like this. Put your hands up, wiggle your fingers, and bring them down for the rain. The next movement is put your hands over your head and make an umbrella. And your right hand is the sun glowing, and the last one is the flowers bud and grow and bloom. So the flowers bud and grow and bloom. Here we go. Pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here's my umbrella, hold it up high. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers bloom and grow, grow, grow. Very good. Our second song is to the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It, and we're going to do some baby animals. We're going to do Baby Bunny, so put your ears up and we'll hop. And the next one is a baby duck called a duckling, and we'll flap our wings and say quack, quack. If you're a baby bunny and you know it, hop around, hop, hop. If you're a baby bunny and you know it, hop around, hop, hop. If you're a baby bunny and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a baby bunny and you know it, hop around, hop, hop. If you're a duckling and you know it, flap your wings, quack, quack. If you're a duckling and you know it, flap your wings, quack, quack. If you're a duckling and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a duckling and you know it, flap your wings, quack, quack. Good job, everybody. Next is story time. We hope you enjoy our story this morning. We are reading it with permission from HMH Publishers. Waiting for Wings, written and illustrated by Lois Eller. Out in the fields, eggs are hidden from view, clinging to leaves with butterfly glue. Soon caterpillars hatch, and they creep and they chew. Each one knows what it must do. Find a place where winds don't blow, then make a case in which to grow. Caterpillar changes now begin. Body and wings take shape within. And when it's time, each case is torn. Wings unfold and new butterflies are born. They pump their wings and get ready to fly. Then hungry butterflies head for the sky, looking for flowers with nectar to eat. They catch a whiff of something sweet. They follow that fragrant scent of perfume until they find our garden in bloom. We've been waiting for wings. We watch them circle and land on their feet, unroll their tongues and begin to eat. They dip and they sip, and they fly away back home to the fields. They have eggs to lay. There are many different types of butterflies, and they like many different types of flowers. I hope you have fun waiting for wings to visit your backyard.
Thank you for joining us today on Wee Wednesday, and we hope you come again next week, and it's time for our goodbye song.
Goodbye, friends.